Wagwan YouTube Nation, me again, man, Missa B. And just want get a small talk and an observation I will make. The big Burna Boy concert just done a couple of days ago, and behind that, couple of weeks ago, we had this incident with Sizzla, and coming out of the concert, I see the Popcaan post a thing on Instagram where man really lick out against the promoter them, say, oh, promoter them I try for basically block him, stop him career, and some really only rare argument. And kind of wonder if just how appropriate that is under the circumstances, if that's the best way we can deal with a issue when stuff we seem to think that things are work against it. In the course of the video, him really come out hard on the promoter them and thing, and Popcaan are one of the youth them where you look on as the current crop of artists, the youth them where essentially lay the foundation for the future. And then right behind that, he had an incident with Sizzla. Different views out there with the Sizzla thing, but the more time passed and you start to get more information, it really causes you to wonder if about our approaches. In fact, I see where Mr. Vegas put out an exhaustive representation of what happens in terms of when record labels put out these awards, the same kind of plaque that Sizzla berated DJ Khaled over. And as it turned out now, you realize that it's not really have nothing to do with DJ Khaled. It have to do because it's not Khaled put out the plaque itself. It was presented to him, and as a contributor to the album, he gets a copy, if you will, of the plaque. And so he chooses to destroy this thing and make a really public spectacle of it. And so it kind of make you wonder, is this the way? The question that it begs is, does anybody in the music business external to Jamaica, does these types of demonstrated behaviors encourage you to want to invest any money in a Jamaica, and in particular the artists? Remember, the music industry, well, we barely have a music industry, if you want to call it that, because our industry is a combination of all of the players, the participants, that people who make up the thing. So we look at the musicians, the players of instruments, the songwriters, and more specifically, more directly, the artists themselves, because the artist is the individual who is actually delivering the song's content to the audience. And so from the standpoint of a record label, or a promoter producer who is looking to invest money in the music business, and in particular, we're talking specifically about the Jamaican music business, would you, as an investor, put money behind artists like them? These people have this very, I want to call it a flagellant response. The simplest things, and we literally create a bonfire and we burn down everything because things don't suit we, and then we wonder why, as an industry, we're not gonna it. And the bottom line is clear. Would you put let me put it in a question. Would you put your money in an industry that is comprised of personnel like these, that at the drop of a hat, this is the response? And it take me back to about 2 decades ago. Me and a brethren of mine down in Jamaica, him come to me and him say, boy, Richie, the the record collection business. Them time I used to play music, Appleton vintage. We used to play, as a vintage collector. And him come and say, boy, the thing, and him have some ideas, and cut a long story short, him bring Ninja Man, and said when we analyze Ninja Man's career at the time, Ninja had a whole heap of tune out there, ultimate gold teeth, front teeth, gun pan teeth, Dan Gargan, and we say, all right, I could say we can do something with it. And we created some rhythms. We created about half dozen rhythms. But in the process, me go reason with my brethren, who, my attorney brethren. And the man take out a book out of him library and give me a big book with about 400 pages, Business of Music. And he said, go read that, And then he said to me, come, we go eat a lunch. And we go, me and my brethren and him, and we go a nice little place in New Kingston, right beside NCB Sports Club, like a garden restaurant. And him said to me, you're going to music business with Ninja Man. Him say, if Ninja Man F you up, where you do? Sue him, because Ninja Man not no money. So you're going to sue him and waste of time. And essentially what he said to me, that you're not wasting the time and the money. And sometimes, if you just learn to listen and take advice, but you figure, boy, you have this headstrong nature and you want to do this thing. But so we persevered with Ninja Man. This would have been around 2000. We built some rhythm. We had some links, the same brethren same lawyer brethren, give me some links with Johnny Gurzong and the guy them from Sumfest. And me and him go down a Montego Bay and we sit down with Doxy Russell. And, we make him hear some of the tune them and we build out with Ninja Man. And man, sign up Ninja for the Sumfest that year. 275,000 Jamaican dollar. Ninja Man performed 20 minutes for that kind of money. And, ironically, the man, them one where I say, boy, Ninja can't do certain things leading up to Sumfest. And man, for the next couple weeks leading into Sumfest, sleepless nights. Because exactly what the man I say, that Ninja Man. You can't control them youth here. Long story short, again, Ninja do Sumfest was a hit the night. And a brother from Britain come and offer me a contract for carry Ninja go to England. For about 7 or 10 shows. Actually, I'm giving 12 shows. I said the last 2 are phone one, first 10 are film. And I'm going to do an album with Ninja, because at the time the Ninja now on an album. And I'm going to include 5 of the 6 tunes that we build in the album. And the contract worth £150,000 in a 2000 strong money. And I say, well, yeah, we know that. Long, again, this short version, again, Ninja go to England and the man give it £25,000 as an advance. And Ninja land in England with the entourage, because he want to carry everybody and him thing, go to England with him. And Moodim bother getting at the details of how him, get all passport and visa for go to England. That's a different story. But long story, him go to England. And the first thing him do, him cuss off the man where we get the contract with. The boy, man, what's it, you're kind of B man, and him not do them thing and Ray and him start style and class the man. I mean, I tell you, the man decided to sue it. We have to agree to give him the 6 tune that we have, so we get the man half away, and that we don't have to pay about 25 grand. I mean, wash my hand of Jamaican music. That was from 2002. 20 years later, may I watch these incidents that has unfolded. May I watch the sentiments being expressed by people within certain circles, investment circles, people with money. Only people in Jamaica have money in it. We now just talk about scammer and drug dealer. People out there have real legitimate money who are look for opportunities to invest. But them wouldn't touch Jamaica music with a 100-foot pole. And, as you watch these developments, the Sizzla thing and the youth from the Burner Boy thing, Popcaan and comments and cuss out Shaggy and the whole of them, would you want to put your money back at them, man? Yeah? The reason why we're not going away with the music in Jamaica is that too much dunce and idiot in the business. And you can't reason with them. You can't assign no management around them because them everybody a bad man and we have to do a thing and Ray. And so at the end of the day, they are cutting their own throats. What they're doing is, bring the music to a level where after 72 years of being involved in producing music in Jamaica, we're not going away. We have not accomplished any damn thing. All of the work with the Marleys and the Peter Tosh and the Burning Spear, Prince Buster, Toots and the Maytals, all of the work with them man they do, Dennis Brown, the whole of the Gregory Isaacs, all of that has literally now is coming to zero because nobody now touch Jamaica music with a 100-foot pole. I mean, and one would have think, would you invest your money with them kind of money? Would you put up them kind of big money? That is why Burna Boy come to Jamaica and them you they are under the big name billing. Them have to come as supporting cast. Cause nobody now put them up. Nobody now go do that. The big name them in a Jamaica music are some man where my age, them, 50s and 60s now. And the new blood not there if you attract no investment. Bojo, Bounty, Beanie, them man they are pushing on them 50-year-old now. What happened to the little youth them? Because after them to the two little gun lyrics and the Ray tune them, and you see the reaction rate I get from the marketplace. The international marketplace now have nothing to do with it. Other people out there have produced far better material than what them are do. And them are not Jamaican. Some of them know Jamaica there, but them are sing reggae, We look on the youth them and everybody cuss these white youth or them with reggae Grammy. But them have a vision, them have a long-term thing, and our youth them where we're having the music in Jamaica ain't going a goddamn place. Think about it and tell me what you think, Give me your feedback in the comment section to this video. And I'm going to ask if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. But more importantly, share and give me your feedback because this is a topic where affect all of it because where are we as a music industry and are we killing ourselves? Or is it the case of our artists literally shoot themselves in the foot? Give me a feedback. Again, I'm me, Missa B. Respect.